going on, you guys? It's your girl Candace and I'm back. You saw by the title of this video, I'm gonna be unboxing the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is my first unboxing by myself. I've only done one and that was with your boy Vrsatile in the video. If you haven't seen that video already, make sure you check it out. I'll leave it up here. So please.
And I just realized that my bra strap is just out there like, hey guys, what's up? So I didn't notice that during this video, so don't come for me for that either, okay? Thanks.
Do not come for me, please. Have some patience, okay? Because just have some patience. I have my notes so that way I could stay focused, stay on track, because if y'all don't know, I could be here one moment, here the next, here next, just all over the place. And I'm not trying to do that to you guys, okay? Not for this video. Let's just talk about what I went through to get this phone, y'all. Let's talk about that real quick, okay? If you don't feel like hearing me talking and da-da-da, just go ahead and skip. I'm gonna leave the timestamp right here to where I'm getting into the review. The struggle I went through to get this phone, okay? First of all, your boy Vrsatile, he goes into the T-Mobile store yesterday and they were like, oh, we need the trade-in phone. Basically some bogus. I take the phone today, the trade-in phone, to get this phone. And she was like, no, we can't do it. She was like, no, we can't do it. After we were he was literally just there yesterday, a day ago, 24 hours. He was there a day ago. She's like, yeah, we can't do it. Then I go to another T-Mobile. I end up asking about the OnePlus. He's like, we could do it. Bruh. So she just told me at the other store that y'all couldn't do it. But then I come here and he like, we could do it. Easy breezy lemon squeezy. So I'm like, okay. He goes through with it, goes to the back, like, let me get the phone. The phone ain't there in the back, y'all. The phone ain't in the back. He calls another store and is like, hey, do you guys have the phone? They're like, yeah, they have the phone there. So he was like, I'm gonna go roll down the street to get it. I'll be right back. And he was like, you know what? You've been here for a while in the store. You want to roll with me? And so I'm like, he like, I don't want you to be bored or whatever. So I'm like, cool, yeah, I'll go, whatever. So we hop in the car. We go to the other T-Mobile. He goes in, he says that they was like, oh, that was for the 6T. We don't have the 7 Plus. Because I was like, well, I wonder why it was taking so long for him to come back out. But he said he was going off like, no, you need to give me this phone. I got a customer in the car. Y'all need to look for this phone. But they end up finding it. And he's trying to do the process. He has to do the because there's, you know, a process with T-Mobile. There's a whole process for every single thing, okay? He does it about 3 times. He does it 3 times, y'all. And it's not no short process 3 times. So, y'all, I have been in the store for like I've been in the store for 2 hours, 2.5 at most. That's like counting me being at the other T-Mobile too. When he fixed one problem, another problem popped up. And we was all over it. He was over it, I was over it. But shout out to him because he got it done. Unlike the other T-Mobile stores, unlike customer service, like when you call on the phone, like y'all, they get you go to one T-Mobile, you go to one store, one T-Mobile store, you get one answer. You go to another store, you get another answer. You call on the phone, you get another answer. You get like 10 different answers. Like, once everything was done and he finally gave me the phone, he was like, here you go. I was like, just for the struggle, like, y'all give this video 2 thumbs up. Like it right now, like right now. Go ahead and like this video, share it, do it, subscribe, all that.
One eternity later.
Anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing, okay? The phone that was so hard to get, we finally got it, y'all. We finally got it. A round of applause. Y'all know the drill. Tiger claw. Let's get it popping. Oops, okay. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, let me show you guys the box first. For OnePlus up here, the 7. Nice little matte finish on the box. Okay, now let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Oh wait, not yet. Here's the manual, all that stuff. Little junk, I call it. Oh wait, no. It's a phone case. Wow, so this comes with the case. That's nice. So here's this case, just a plain old clear case. Which is cool because then you can see the color popping through this. The color of the phone. And then here's the books and all that, you know. SIM ejection tool. Oops. all that fun stuff, SIM card, all that. Now this is the moment of truth, you guys. The phone. The phone. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and wrapped up. But we're gonna put that to the side and get everything else out of this box before I unwrap that. Here we have, oh, okay. This red, I like that. The charging cable. Okay. And then here we have the charger. Now, the moment of truth. The phone. I know some people like to hear the sound of the plastic coming off, so moment of silence for that. This is the $700 model in mirror gray. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Other model is the $669 one that has 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. And then the other one is the $749 one that has 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. They also come in 3 different colors, which is the mirror gray, which we have here, the nebula blue, and then there's the almond, which is more glossy than the matte finish that's on the nebula blue model. And as you see, there's 3 cameras on the back. There's the 48 megapixel main camera. Then there's the 16 megapixel wide angle camera. Then there's the 3x 8 megapixel optical zoom camera. Gives you better zoomed in up close and personal pictures. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I just gotta figure out how to turn it on. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Since the display is on, let's talk a little bit about the display, okay? So DisplayMate had rated this display at A+, which is really good because, you know, all A's over here and no B's, no C's. It got the score of 111 from DxOMark. So, thumbs up for that. When I was talking about the cameras, I forgot to mention that the selfie camera is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So that's cool. When I'm talking about a certain thing on the phone, I'm gonna be like, that's cool. I'm not gonna go into detail like your boy Vrsatile would. I'm just giving y'all the basics just to let y'all know. So, disclaimer. I'm gonna turn the phone around and give you a different view so you can get a better view of the phone and I could get a better view of the phone while recording. Let's go ahead and start. This is the terms and conditions. Agree. User experience program. Improve your. I'm just gonna say no thanks because I'm not gonna be using this phone. So if he wants to do anything, he could do that, you know, on his own time because I don't want to set something up he wouldn't want. Let's see if I press I'm in. Oh, okay, I don't have to fill out nothing. I put I'm in. Connect to mobile network if you have a SIM card. Insert now. We're gonna skip Wi-Fi. I need to enter the Wi-Fi, so let me go ahead and do that. All right, it's just checking for some updates. Copy apps and data, transfer apps, photos from a Google account. Next, so bring your data from a backup from an Android phone. Sign in with your username and password. Use your own. So we're gonna do this option. All right, let me go ahead and enter that. All right, so I had to verify the account and all that, and now I'm just pressing I agree. Choose a backup to restore. So I'm going to choose the most recent backup. Confirm your old Pixel 3 XL. Okay. Confirm your old Pixel 3a XL screen lock. Oh, Houston, we have a problem because I don't know the code. Hold on. Ugh. All right, so we got the code. Thank goodness. I'm going to put that code in. All right. So it says choose. I'm going to restore everything because I'm sure he wants everything. So we're going to let it do that. Accept that. How to use the fingerprint. So let's go ahead and do that. Choose your backup screen lock method. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna do the fingerprint thing. Press and make your finger cover the fingerprint identification area as much as possible. Then lift after you feel vibration. So I don't know which one it is. Okay, it's not that one. It's not that one. I kind of figured. Okay. Oh, this is neat. See different parts of my finger. Or maybe they're like, you doing too much. You just need your finger. One part of your finger. Okay, maybe not. Okay. Yeah, see, I was doing too much. Okay. All right, fingerprint added. Your Google Assistant is built into your new phone. Continue. I agree. You're all set. Thank goodness. Got it. Anything else? No. Set up a few more things or find them later in settings. We'll do that later in settings because what do we not have today? We don't have time. That's what we don't have. All right. Screen off gestures. I'm just gonna do everything. Why not? Screen calibration, vivid, natural, advanced. Let's do vivid because I like a little pop of color, you know? The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Oh, I'm like, what? But it's the font. Okay, let's see. Recommended. Oh, that's the OnePlus Slate. We'll just go with Roboto, whatever. Device data collection. Next. Accept. Oops, no, not more info. No. Next. Accept. Allow OnePlus 2X's 1000, blah, blah, blah. All right. Minutes later, we're in on the phone. This is the screen. The apps. As far as display, we have a optic AMOLED 6.67 inch display. It looks nice to me. It looks pretty nice to me. We're gonna test it out with a YouTube video. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, while we're there on YouTube, we'll test out the speakers, which this phone has dual speakers with Dolby Atmos. So let's go ahead and pull up a YouTube video. Let's see. Oh, YouTube's on here. Thank you. Oh, wait, because it did the backup. Oh, it has the pinch to zoom. Oh, so you could feel it.
What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Vrsatile is back with another video.
Oh, y'all hear those speakers?
To talk about a specific update Samsung has released to their smartwatch series, the Galaxy Watch. The Galaxy Watch Active already had this when it first came out.
So that's
the Gear
full
S3
volume.
and the Gear Sport. And that is the One UI update for their smartwatches. And yes, as the name suggests, it is very, very similar to the same One UI update that they have
Let's go ahead and raise that down. And that display, look at that video. Let's see. Is this 1080p? Oh, that's 420. Let's go to 1080p. Let's see how that's looking. Ooh. You see that focus? Ooh, the detail. The detail. It looks even better in person than on the phone, but it's pretty nice, you guys. Hey, y'all, don't mind my ashy old lady hands, okay? Bit rough since I came out the womb. My hands looking like his. That's pretty nice. Like, I'm not gonna lie. By the way, if you guys didn't know, I'm Team Apple all day, every day. So, for me to say an Android phone is nice, you know, that means something now. No, I'm just playing. That don't mean nothing. But as an iPhone user, I'll say that's pretty nice. Like, this phone feels pretty premium. And I like that display. This phone has a new haptic vibration motor, which means that you get better vibration throughout usage. So let's test that out. Let's see how that vibrates. Oh, okay. Yeah, I feel it already. Just by pressing these, I feel the vibration. Say you're playing a game on your phone, you know, whatever, doing your thing, or screen recording. There's fanatic mode, which helps with limiting distractions while doing those things. That's pretty neat, because, you know, that is a pain sometimes when you're doing things, screen recording or whatever the case is, and then there's an interruption. Can you use that for when you're recording a video and someone calls you or whatever, texts you? You know, like kind of like on iPhone, there's the do not disturb or whatever. I wonder if that's similar to that. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about, but that's what I get out of it. As far as the battery, this phone has a 4,000 milliamp battery. And it also has warp charge, which charges your phone really fast. So you could get to 50% in 20 minutes, which that's lovely, of course, because say your phone's like at 1% and you have to go somewhere. Say you're not like in a rush. Say you gotta be somewhere, leave the house in 30 minutes. In 20 minutes, you get to 50%, which is more than enough to last you until you get back home, if you're getting back home the same day. But you get where I'm going with this. There's also UFS 3.0. There's also UFS 3.0 storage, which means fast transfer speeds, opening apps, and downloading files. So as we see up here, the Play Store is downloading. We already got 69. Where is it? Okay, we already have 69 out of 116 apps downloaded. So you see they're just downloading. Right now we're on 70. Now we're on 71. Now we're on 72. Up 73. So that's pretty fast to me, at least. And then opening apps. Let's see. Open the app. Oh, bloop. Bloop, bloop. Accept. Let's go ahead and accept that. Continue. Okay, got it. So here we're on Google. T-Mobile. What's good? Well, let's open another app. The camera. Allow. Okay, let's do that again because it wasn't set up. The camera. That's pretty fast. Gallery. Pretty fast. Oh, look at him. Like, photos, where they at though? Where they at though? Let's go ahead and test these speakers out again. Let's see how the music is bumping. Turn it all the way up. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the cooling system in this phone. So OnePlus says that there's a 10-layer liquid cooling system in place so that the phone stays cool even when playing games. Oh, that's really nice. That's pretty much it for this review. Unboxing, first impressions, you know, the review. Like I said, I'm gonna leave that to your boy Vrsatile. He'll be back. But I just got through it. Give me a thumbs up for the effort, also for the struggle. I made it through, and for the effort. And give me 2 thumbs up for that. 2 thumbs up, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.